It's not laughing as much. Hi, Boogie.
She knows she's on video.
You don't want to giggle? All right, Abby is gonna try sweet potatoes today. We're gonna see what she thinks about them. Daddy's gonna try feeding her sweet potatoes. But you've got the hiccups, baby.
Ooh, Abby.
Let's see what you think of sweet potatoes. Just a little bit. That's a lot on the spoon. Okay. There we go.
Ooh. What do you think?
Like it? Oh, maybe she likes it. Oh, you like it. Oh, a lot.
More sweet potatoes?
Well, this is good. She likes it better than bananas.
Huh. Let's try some more. Ooh, open up. Abby.
Is that yummy?
Do you like it?
You like sweet potato. Mmm.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, she likes it a lot, honey.
How can you tell?
Way better than the banana. With the banana, she always kind of spit it out a little bit. Mmm, good baby.
This is very good for you.
Yeah. One more bite and then I'll stop taking the video. Yum.
Very sweet, isn't it? Mmm.